Hello! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. So basically if you want to receive your notifications from your phone on your watch. My bad. Okay, before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to work. To do it, we can first find the Mi Fitness icon on our phone, press and hold on it to open this menu, and then tap on App Info. Here we can tap on permissions, and as you can see we have one allowed permission and quite a lot of them denied. And for the notifications to work, we need to allow the phone permission, contacts, call logs, and SMS, I believe. So let's allow the permissions. Allow, then go back like this, like that, and the SMS. Okay. Once we allow the permissions, we can close this page, the settings. Now open the settings on your phone. So let's open the settings. Tap on the apps and notifications. Here select advanced, then scroll down and tap on special app access. Now find the option called notification access and tap on it. And here you should see the Mi Fitness on the list. Tap on it to select it, and then tap on the switch right here and tap on allow to allow the notification access for the Mi Fitness application. Once you do that, you can close the settings and we can open the Mi Fitness application on our phone. In the application we can tap on the device icon, and now you should see the device page for your watch. But sometimes it takes a couple seconds for it to connect, so we can open it again, and here we have it. Okay, so once you see the device page for your watch, tap on app notifications, and here you can enable and disable the notifications by tapping on this switch. You can also enable and disable a couple of options like receive only when phone is locked. So if you enable this option and you're using your phone, the screen is unlocked on your phone, you won't receive any notifications on your watch. And the second option is wake screen. So if you receive the notification, it's gonna wake up the screen on your watch. And you can enable this option or disable it. Okay. And once you're done with this section of the settings, you can scroll down and here you have the list of apps, and you can enable and disable the notifications for each app separately. So for example, we can enable it for Discord, Gmail, Google News and stuff like that. And once you're done customizing your settings, you can go back to the device page. And next we can select the incoming calls. And right here we can enable the notifications for the calls. So basically when somebody is calling you on your phone, your watch will vibrate. And you can enable or disable this option. Okay, once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And I got the message on my phone. Let's see if we get it on our watch. And as you can see, we also got it on our watch. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can simply swipe down from the top of the screen after you wake up the screen to open the notifications page. And here you can check them, clear them. Also you have number of notifications. If you tap on the notification, you're gonna open it. And if you tap on clear, you're gonna remove it. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.